Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Synapse Spark pools for big data analytics step by step. To activate Synapse Spark pools for big data analytics, start by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to the Synapse workspace that you intend to use. In the left-hand menu, select the Manage tab. Click on the Apache Spark Pools option. To create a new Spark pool, click on the plus New button. Fill in the required details, such as the pool name and node size. Choose the number of nodes you want to allocate for your pool. Select the pricing tier that suits your budget and workload. Adjust the auto scale settings if you want the pool to automatically scale based on workload. Review your configurations, ensuring everything is set as per your requirements. Click on the Create button to provision the Spark pool. Wait for the deployment to complete, which may take a few moments. Once the pool is active, you will see it listed under your Synapse workspace. To use the Spark pool, navigate to the Develop tab in your Synapse workspace. Create a new notebook by clicking on plus New Notebook. In the notebook, set the Spark pool you just created from the Spark pool drop-down menu. Now you can begin writing your Spark code for big data analytics. Run your notebook cells to execute your tasks and analyze your data. Monitor the performance of your Spark pool through the Monitor section in Synapse. You can stop or delete the pool when it's no longer needed to save costs. Always ensure you're managing your resources effectively to optimize performance and expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.